The Canon EOS R8 Mark II is already creating huge excitement, and honestly, it feels like Canon may finally be listening to what photographers actually want. The original R8 was loved for its lightweight body, amazing autofocus, and full-frame image quality at an affordable price. But many users also felt it was missing a few important features that stopped it from becoming the perfect everyday camera. Now, if the latest rumors are true, the R8 Mark II could completely change that story. One of the biggest rumored upgrades is the new 32.5-megapixel full-frame sensor. That may not sound massive at first, but for photographers, it changes everything. More resolution means sharper images, better cropping flexibility, and more detail for portraits, landscapes, and travel shots. The current R8 already produces beautiful colors and clean low-light performance, so combining that with a higher resolution sensor could make this camera one of the strongest image quality performers in its price range. But the most interesting rumor is not the sensor. It is the design. Reports suggest Canon may give the R8 Mark II a retro-inspired body. And if that really happens, this camera could instantly become one of the most stylish mirrorless cameras on the market. Cameras are no longer just tools. People want cameras that feel exciting to hold and enjoyable to use. Nikon proved that retro designs still have huge demand with the ZF, and Canon clearly sees that trend. A vintage-style Canon full-frame camera with modern autofocus sounds like something many creators have been waiting for. Now here is where things get really interesting. Canon may position this camera more toward photographers instead of hybrid video creators. That could actually be a smart move. Right now, almost every camera tries to do everything, but many users simply want an affordable full-frame camera that delivers beautiful photos, fast autofocus, reliable performance, and a fun shooting experience. The R8 Mark II could become exactly that kind of camera. Of course, there is still one major question mark hanging over these rumors: IBIS. The lack of in-body image stabilization was one of the biggest complaints about the original R8. Some rumors suggest Canon may still leave it out to keep the body compact and affordable. And honestly, that decision could frustrate a lot of people again. In 2026, IBIS is becoming almost expected in full-frame cameras. Even casual creators now want smoother handheld shots and better low-light stability. If Canon skips IBIS again, some buyers may move toward competitors instead. But there is another side to this. The reason people loved the original R8 was because it was incredibly small and lightweight. You could carry it all day without feeling tired. Adding IBIS could increase the body size, weight, and price. So Canon is clearly trying to balance portability with premium features.